Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping by. If you're brand new, welcome. If you're just returning, thank you so much for stopping by again. On my channel, you can see things like thrift flips, DIYs, trash to treasures, anything kind of DIY crafty you can see on my channel. We recently moved into a new home, so a lot of the stuff I'm doing is for my home decor. Um, so if you're interested in that kind of stuff, please do consider subscribing. That would really help me out. And make sure you hit that notification bell and that big like button if you like what you see.
For today's video, I'm going to be basically redoing these two stools. Now, these two stools came from my sister. They were my niece and nephews. They are both basically adults now, so these stools have been around for a long time. I actually bought these for Matthew and Emma when they were little, so it's nice that I'm getting them back to be able to use them with my kiddos. So that's what I'm doing today is I'm going to be redoing them and painting them and making them suit my boys. So what I'm doing first is just cleaning them off. I'm just using a Lysol wipe just to get some of the, like if there's any grease or anything like that on them, any dust. So I'm just wiping them off. And then I'm going to be just lightly sanding them off a little bit to get any gunk off if there's anything that's like sticky on them or something like that. Um, and then I'll be painting them with some chalk paint. Now, I am using the Annie Sloan Cocoa, Annie Sloan chalk paint and cocoa. And I'm going to be doing a few coats of this. So the first coat, I'm just going to be lightly painting over the piece, and it's just so I can kind of have a base for the paint to adhere to. So I'm not too worried about full coverage at this point. It's just more or less just like a light coat of it, and then I'll do more coats as need be. I'm only going to be recording myself doing this. I don't think you need to see me um, doing multiple coats because otherwise the video is going to be very, very long, and we don't want it to be that long. I'm just using a dollar store brush for this piece. And the reason for that is because I was already using this paint for another project and I had the brush dirty in this color. So I'm just using this brush. Normally I like to use my Annie Sloan chalk paint brush, but I just didn't this time because I'm using that one for painting something white, so I just wanted to keep it white. Now I will be painting like underneath and on the sides of everything. So even though the way these stools will be positioned, they'll be going in the bathroom, like in my boys' bathroom, so they can have little stools for brushing their teeth and washing their faces and stuff like that. So you won't be able to see the back, but I will paint it anyway, just so it is all uniform. This video is a part of the Useful DIY Challenge hosted by Momdas Life Handmade. Mom is one super creative lady, so if you have not checked out her channel, make sure you check it out. I'll have her channel link in the description below. She is co-hosting with Ginger Chick Rehab. Now, Yvonne at Ginger Chick Rehab is also super talented. She does all sorts of farmhouse, like furniture flips and stuff like that. So if you're like, she's so talented. Make sure you check her out as well. I'll have her channel linked below in my description.
So what I did was I used my Cricut to cut out a stencil. So this is a reusable stencil film. I really don't like it for letters and signs, so I don't know. See, it's new, so I wanted to try it out, but I can already see it's going to be a little bit of an issue. And then the other chair I'll bring it over. Other chair, I just used vinyl, and that one should be much better. So I'm gonna stencil in using my Rust-Oleum chalked charcoal paint, and this little dabber from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'll have to kind of hold it down. So that's what I don't like. See, I already see that it's going through, so I'm not liking that, but hopefully it'll be okay.
So after these dried, I had my husband help me, and we put paint on the feet of our sons, like at the bottom of their feet, and then we helped them step onto the stools so that their footprints would be on the stools. And I think that that is such a cute addition, and I think these stools are now adorable. So here they are. Like I said, I think they turned out adorably. After everything dried, I put clear wax over top of them, the clear Annie Sloan wax, and it was just for an added protection so that the chairs would be protected and the paint wouldn't come off. I think they're super cute, and here they are in their bathroom looking really, really nice. So if you like what you see, make sure you hit that big like button. If you'd like to see more, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Check out the two hosts, check out the playlist, and check out these videos that I've linked for you at the end. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.